Installing new windows in your home can be a game changer. Not only can it significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, but it can also enhance curb appeal, increase natural light, and even boost your property's value. However, for many homeowners, the process of window installation can feel daunting. What types of windows are available? How do you choose the right ones for your home? And, perhaps most importantly, what can you expect from the installation process itself? This ultimate guide will cover everything you need to know about window installation, from selecting the perfect windows to understanding the installation process and post-installation care. Why install new windows? There are several reasons why homeowners opt for new windows' energy efficiency. Older windows often let in drafts, which can significantly increase your energy bills. New energy-efficient windows can help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for heating or air conditioning. Increased home value. Replacing old, worn-out windows can improve your home's resale value. Potential buyers often appreciate energy-saving features and a polished exterior, making new windows a smart investment. Enhanced comfort. Modern windows offer better insulation, noise reduction, and protection from UV rays, creating a more comfortable living environment. Aesthetic upgrade. New windows can dramatically improve the appearance of your home, both inside and out, giving it a fresh, modern look. Types of windows. Choosing the right type of window is crucial for ensuring that it fits your home's design, your budget, and your climate. Some common window types include double-hung windows. These windows have two sashes that can move up and down, allowing for better ventilation. They are a classic choice for most homes and are easy to clean. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward, offering an unobstructed view and excellent ventilation. They are great for hard-to-reach areas like above sinks. Sliding windows. These windows slide horizontally and are ideal for rooms with limited space. They are commonly used in modern homes. Bay and bow windows. These windows project outward, adding space and natural light to a room. They are often found in living rooms or kitchens. Picture windows. Fixed and inoperable, picture windows provide a wide view of the outdoors and let in lots of natural light. They are great for rooms where ventilation isn't a priority. Energy-efficient windows. These windows have features like double or triple panes, low E-glass, and gas fills between panes to improve insulation and reduce energy costs. The window installation process. Understanding the window installation process can help you prepare for the day the installers arrive. Here's what you can expect. Preparation. Before installation day, clear the area around your windows, both inside and outside, to give the installation team easy access. Remove window treatments like blinds or curtains and cover furniture to protect it from dust or debris. Removing the old windows. The first step in the installation process is carefully removing the old windows. Installers will take out the window frame, sash, and any remaining trim, ensuring not to damage the surrounding structure. Installing the new windows. The new windows are then placed in the opening and secured. The installer will ensure that the window is level and plumb, so it operates smoothly and seals tightly. After the window is secured, they'll add insulation around the frame to prevent drafts and moisture. Sealing and finishing. Once the window is in place, the installer will seal the edges with caulk to prevent air or water leaks. Inside, trim or molding may be installed to complete the look and ensure a seamless finish. Clean up. A professional installer will always leave your home as clean as they found it. They'll remove the old windows and clean up any dust or debris from the installation process. Choosing the right installer. Choosing the right professional to install your windows is just as important as selecting the windows themselves. Look for a reputable company with experience in your local area. Check for certifications, such as being licensed and insured, and read customer reviews to ensure you're hiring someone trustworthy. A good installer will offer a warranty on both the product and the installation work, giving you peace of mind. Post-installation care. Once your new windows are installed, proper care will ensure they last for years to come. Here are a few tips. Regular cleaning. Clean the glass and window frames regularly to prevent dirt buildup. Use a soft cloth and a mild cleaning solution to avoid scratching the surface. Check seals. Over time, seals can wear down. Inspect the caulking and seals around the windows periodically to ensure there are no air or water leaks. Lubricate moving parts. If you have windows that slide or open, keep the moving parts lubricated to ensure smooth operation. Window installation is an investment that pays off in comfort, energy savings, and home value. By selecting the right windows for your needs and working with a reputable installer, you'll enjoy the benefits of your new windows for decades. With proper care, your home will stay comfortable, beautiful, and efficient.